let us check with a 21st problem here. So they have given, so which of the following fraction is arranged in descending order? Descending order in the sense, right, bigger to smaller, right? Let us check out here. So 23, so let me write down this 23 by 13, right, 23 by 11, right, 23 by 7, right, 23 by 3, right. Descending order in the sense, first you need to go with the bigger one and later smaller one, right. Now check out here, right, by observing this, so start working on this. 23 by 13, right, 23 by 13. So obviously what happens here, so don't take LCM here. If you take LCM, it will be a little bit tedious to compare the fraction. So directly divide and work on it. 23 that divided by 13, 13 ones are 13, right, 10 remainder point, take a decimal 0, 13 sevens are 91. I'll stop here. So this will be 1.7 approximately. Now let me go with this 23 by 11, right. So 23 ones are, twos are, right, 22, right, 1, right, take a the decimal point, take 0 again, which is not possible to divide, take 0 and 0, 11 nines are 99. So this is going to be 2.09. Now third, I'll take 23 by 7, 7 threes are 21, right, 7 threes are 21. So obviously what happens here, right, 2 remainder, take a decimal, take a 0, right, see, 7 threes are 7 twos are 14. So this will become 3.2. Next is 23 by 3, right, 3 sevens are 21, right, 2, take a decimal point 0, 6 are 18. So this will become 7.6. So bigger one first we need to place, that is 7.6 is greater than 3.2, which is greater than 2.09, which is greater than 1.7. Now substitute the fractions here, that is 23 by 3, which is greater than 23 by 7, which is greater than 23 by 11, which is greater than 23 by 13. So now this is in the descending order, 23 by 3, 23 by 7, 23 by 13, no, this is not possible, 23 by 3, 23 by 7, 23 by 11. So option B is the right one.